Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. I am in the Alphard heading down to the SMX Convention Center because it is the last day of the Manila Auto Salon and the last 3 days have been super hectic. It's actually progressing to be more people every day, and yesterday I probably took 300 selfies. So intense yesterday that my cheeks were hurting so much, but it is the last day and today is awarding day, and also it's going to be the most jam-packed day and we're going to see a lot of people. Honestly, I actually haven't even moved around the whole convention center because it's been jam-packed and I don't want to get mobbed along the way, so I usually stay inside the import hookup area, the Carpon Racing booth, or the Motul booth. Now we have 8 entries this year and I think most of them got an award. So they actually put the awards already beside the cars, so we're gonna get to see what the award is, but I don't know if they've actually let out who was the best of show and the most extreme mod. I have a guess that it's probably Keith. Keith and Alex normally nail all the awards of the year. And as you guys know, I build race cars. I build cars that I can use and abuse. And they build cars that they can show and display. And we have very different ethos on how we assemble cars. But nonetheless, we do share a booth because we are great friends and very supportive of each other in the community. And it was so nice to bump into other people. But because there's music inside the SMX Convention Center, I'm probably either going to voice over some things or we're just going to shoot some B-roll of the whole festivities and showing you guys, I guess, sort of my top 10 picks that are not my cars in that sense. Let's go. It's traffic already going to the convention center. It's going to be a lot of people and just gotta smile. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Testing. Passing it to Cholo.
Hello, what's up?
Here now with Cholo. Cholo's been manning the booth and we have people behind him waiting already.
Waiting for Angie since like lunch.
I will pass the camera to Cholo so he can walk around and film. And the next thing, we're gonna go to the Motul booth so we can sign some autographs and make people happy. So here we go.
Until something better came along. Fall in love and tear it down as soon as we wake up. Promise you the world tonight, show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language and you read me like a book. This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just in a state until something better came along.
guys, I'm hiding out here on the floor of the show because I just signed like 500 autographs. I kid you not, 500 plus photos, autographs. It's insane the amount of people that are here in the show, and super grateful, not complaining, but I am tired. My cheeks hurt. I'm eating my snacks right now. They moved awarding to 6 p.m. so we gotta wait. And I don't think they've released the major awards, but from my guesstimate, it looks like best of show might be the white 458 of Keith. It's the Duke Dynamics kit that is over there in the right hand of the corner. And Extreme Custom, I don't know who they're going to pick because I don't think it's any of my cars. Because they awarded smaller awards already to the other cars, so I don't think we're gonna win that award. Oh well. Show is done. Keith won best of show with the 458 because the car looks spectacular. There was a lot of people and I signed probably the most things I've ever signed in my whole life. Check out this tow truck, guys. That's something you don't see every day. Okay, in the SLS right now and drawing a crowd. It's like everyone's waiting for trying to get the car out. I'm hardly filming because I'm running around like a headless chicken. The 997 RWB is finally out. We're gonna load the SLS and I'm going to drive out the 458 GT3. I'm just waiting for the tow truck to ramp up and align to the barrier or to the ramp here. My brain's not working. Egress. This is what you guys don't see when we're doing the car shows, and it's actually the hardest part of doing the car shows, especially if you bring 9 cars. This thing is drawing a crowd.
Boss, may tow truck pala ako.
Oh my god, thank you to the guards at SMX. They were able to pull out some planks because this car, the 458 GT3 Spider, would not come out of the garage. The front lip is so low. And they got some wooden planks, they got the car out. We loaded the SLS GT3, that's on the way out already. And now the RWB Ava still sitting on the side waiting for the tow truck. Now the RWB Ava's clutch release bearing isn't really set, so I don't want to drive it because I might lose some gears later. So we're going to drop off these first batch of cars, and hopefully this second trip out we're going to be able to load Black Manta and RWB Victoria and drive out RWB Archangel. So 3 more cars to go, and then we're going to call it night, basically come back tomorrow by 11 a.m. and load the rest of the cars. So right now we're moving, and the 458 GT3 window button ended up breaking also, which sucks. But I'm glad we're out. Part of egress is really the shit show of like getting out, and I'm glad like inside wasn't so smoky and wasn't so warm like before as I remember it. But moving out this many cars is a logistical nightmare. But thanks to our partners Camel Toe, thank you to Motul, thank you to Import Hookup, thank you to Carporn, thank you to Classic Speed, thank you to everyone that made it possible for us to join the show. And wow, I hope you guys appreciated how much effort I put into signing and taking photos with as many people as I can. And I'm so sorry for those people lining up that I didn't get to take a photo or autograph for them because I was tired, guys. I'm so sorry. I was kind of rude on the closing side of it because yes, I have to conserve my energy because I have a super long evening. Anyway, enough of me rambling. I will update you guys again when we're on the way back getting more cars. Car moving. Car number 2 is here. Okay guys, we have parked 2 already out of the 4. Sorry, no, we've parked 2 already and then we parked 1 on the other side. We're gonna go get 2 more. We are back and I guess we're trying to start the car. Manta's dead. The battery is flat and we're gonna get a jumper cable. Car fired right up. I hope. Should keep it running, aircon off. I'm gonna miss this when it's on static. We're gonna have such a bitch moving it around. Okay, we're in the Skyfair now and the ECU is dead so the car won't start. There's a leak also in the air system, which means hopefully tomorrow the car won't be on the ground because I need to push it back on the tow truck so it can go back to classic speed. We are gonna need to bring the piggy back tomorrow so just in case we need to jumper the battery. We're definitely gonna do that. Wow, what a trying night. It's already midnight and I'm still here and people are moving fast. We seem like we're one of the last groups to be here. Tow truck is here. Last one. We're gonna move that out. Move Archangel forward. Paula's here with me. Which other keys?
Skyfiro and Junior cars. And that's
But I'll move this car forward, so let's push this out of the way. Straight. It looks good. She looks so fine. Too bad the ECU is not working. Midnight on a Sunday and this is still the flow of traffic. It is crazy, but we're on the way. This is the last of the trip tonight. I think I'm gonna get home at 1, which is like really late for me already because I don't stay up this late. This car is so zippy. See you tomorrow. It's already 1:15 a.m. and I'm headed home finally. I feel energized, but I know I'm overextending myself and I really hope you guys enjoyed the show that we put for you guys and this little documentary that I have with the new camera that I'm playing with. But I'm off. Good night. See you guys again soon.